harsh winter weather, many homes struggle to stay warm without centralized heating. Traditional small space heaters and water-based heating systems have downsides like limited heating area, risk of fire, and pipe issues.
We've discovered a new heating technology that could help: Carbon Nanotube electric heating film floor heating. Carbon Nanotube electric heating film works by generating heat through molecular friction and infrared radiation when powered on. Engineers create the film by dispersing carbon nanotube powder in a solution. Then through compounding, the carbon nanotubes are evenly distributed in the adhesive film. And finally, a carbon nanotube electric heating film is obtained. Carbon nanotube electric heating film can be started or turned off at any time through a smart mobile app for convenience. The film can warm up quickly. It can rise to 45 Celsius in 2 minutes, and the floor will be heated in 15 to 30 minutes. Field testing shows with it save up to 40% on bills versus unpredictable radiators. Even after being drilled and exposure to water, the film remains fully functional without risk of leaks or breakdowns. Under normal use, the service life of the carbon nanotube electric heating film is up to more than 50 years. Of course, safety is paramount. The carbon nanotube film heats at low temperatures without risk of fire or explosions. It releases no harmful emissions, meeting international materials standards. Our headquarters is in Hong Kong, and the factory is in Dingnan County, Ganju City, Jiangxi Province. 1.5 hours driven by high-speed train from Shenzhen. Dingnan plant is 38.5 acres. With the carbon nanotube electric heating film production capacity of 1.5 million square meters per month, which is the world's largest. In closing, carbon nanotube electric heating film is a green, durable, and safe floor heating solution for homes. Experience the warmth of innovation. Contact us now to learn more.